we have to continue with the next session of 12 Commerce Accountancy Introduction to Partnership and Partnership Definition. Two or more than two people have to commence the business. It is a partnership according to the Companies Act 1932. So definition you have to learn. Now we have two methods of making the accounts. Earlier we have continued with the accounts, that is of trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet in 11th standard. So altogether we have to continue with this section also that are correlate with this. So here fluctuating capital account and fixed capital account. Two accounts we have to see over here. First is fluctuating. Fluctuating itself is making changes in the capital. So whenever we are making this fluctuating capital account, we have to make the partners capital account. That partners capital, I have supposed I have made the A and B partner over here, and in fixed capital account we have to maintain two parts. So we have to continue with this. First of all, start with the date particular A, B. Suppose two partners are there, we have to assume that. Then date particular A and B, that are of two sides, debit and credit. Now to balance drawdown, means balance we have to get it if it is debit, and balance drawdown if it is of credit. Generally owner have to bring the amount, so that is of generally credit side. Then after additional capital when partner is bringing, so that in the form of cash, bank or any asset, that is recorded over here. Then interest on capital, whatever the capital owner have brought, on that interest have to be charged. Then after whatever the partner is getting, that are recorded on the credit side. That salary partner is getting, we have to record over here. Commission partners is getting here. Bonus partner is getting, that is also credited to the partner's capital account credit side. Remuneration, remuneration means what extra activity, extra work a partner is doing. So additional work का जो भी part रहता है, that is of remuneration. Then profit and loss appropriation account. Appropriation means we have to make the part of the profit, allot the profit in between the partners. So that is profit and loss appropriation account. Now next, debit side is of a balance if it is there. Then after drawings account. Drawings you all are aware about that additional amount, if it is necessary, a partner have to get it at home for the personal use. So that is of drawings. Interest on drawings. Interest on drawings means whatever a partner have used for the personal use, interest on that also have to be charged. Then profit and loss appropriation account, that is of divisible loss if it is there. Divisible profit is there, we have to record over here. From this two, any one we have possibility to record. From this two also, any one we have possibility to record. And from this last, we have to tally both the side. And balance is there. So balance, if it is of credit side is more, we have to record balance at the debit side, and it is of balance carry forward. And if it is debit side more, we have to settle over here at the balance carry forward, and that have to be carried forward to the balance sheet. Now our next session is a fixed capital account. Here we have two accounts to maintain in the fixed capital. Means owner want the amount of capital fixed. Then afterwards, here A and B partners are there, they want their capital as a fixed. Suppose A and B want, A have brought 1 lakhs, B have brought 1 lakhs. Both have brought 1 lakhs. So they don't want that things to fluctuate. So that's why they have one partner's capital account, and other things, whatever the things over here that are only the same over here, that is in the partner's current account. Partner's current account have to be fluctuating, but that partner's capital account have to be fixed. And additional capital a partner have brought, that have to be recorded bank also any person have withdrawn that are recorded over here, and both sides have to be tallied and balance have to be carried forward. Here generally partner is bringing the amount, so that is why generally the balance is always credit. That is a specialty of the partner's capital account. Now partner's current account, that are two possibility, if it is of credit side or debit side, both the side have to be possible. But same way, suppose partner A have debit balance, same way partner A have credit balance, not possible. Any one side can be there. Then after we have to see the credit side, balance, interest on capital, whatever the capital is over here, that interest have to be charged here. Then interest on current balance of the current account, means that is the balance of the current account. Interest have to be charged on this balance. Then salary, bonus, commission, remuneration, that all we have recorded over here. Same it is that we have recorded over here. That is optional. We have to use this method or this method. So here salary that have to be getting by the partner, bonus, commission, remuneration, that are the part of the partner that have to be credited to the partner's capital account. Same way debit side, drawings, interest on drawing, means in drawings wherever we have recorded, interest on drawing, beside that only we have recorded. Then interest on debit balance of the current account. Current account balance is over here. Then interest is also charged beside that only. Then profit and loss appropriation account. If it is a profit and loss appropriation balance, both the side is there. If it is there, so we have to record only one side. Not both sides have to be possible. If it is a loss, we have to record over here. If it is profit, we have recorded over here. Then both the side we have to tally, and if it is balance, credit side is more, we have to settle the amount over here, and that is of balance carry forward. And if debit side have to be more, we have to settle over here, and it is of balance carry forward. Okay. Okay, earlier session we have completed the fluctuating capital account and fixed capital account. Now we have to continue with the profit and loss appropriation account. That balances have to be recorded over there. That is profit and loss appropriation account. You all are aware about the profit and loss account. In 11th standard you have already learned. Profit and loss account means all the things. Whenever sole proprietorship is there, a person is only single. That's why profit is only one person is bearing. Profit is, or loss is only one person is bearing. But whenever multiple person have to be adjoined to the business, that have to be allotted the profit in between the partners. So that are allotted in profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, so that's why we have to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Whenever that are accounts of fixed capital and fluctuating, date have to be mentioned. Here we have no date, that are of ledgers, and this is of account. Okay, so in account we don't want to mention the date, because at the year ending we are preparing this accounts, and these two capital accounts are in between the year we have to maintain. That's why that date is very important. Now here two sides are there, debit side and credit side. We have to see first of all credit side. Credit side, profit and loss account. Whenever the profit is there, we have net profit recorded over credit side. Then after interest on partners drawing. Whenever we have to compare earlier session, fixed capital and fluctuating capital, that interest on drawing debit karte the. Here we have to credit interest on drawing, because that is income for the business. We have to see the part of the business. Then suppose partner A, B, C, that collectively we have to record over here. Interest on debit balance of the current account, that is also earning for the business. That is the same as our profit and loss account. Whatever the receivables, whatever the benefits are recorded on the credit side. So that is a benefit of the business, interest on drawing, and interest on debit balance of the current account is also the benefit. That's why it is credited. Then debit side, profit and loss. If loss is there, we have to record on the debit side. Then interest on partner's capital. Partner's capital we have to record credit side, and in a profit and loss appropriation we have to make it debit side. That is totally opposite. Okay, so we have to record over here debit side because it is expense for the business. We have utilized partner's capital in the business, and we have to spend the money as in the form of interest to the partner. So that is why it is an expense, and we have to record on the debit side. Then interest on credit balance of the current account. That is also the expense for the business because partners amount business is utilizing. Then partners salary, partners bonus, commission, remuneration. They all have to spend by the business. Business is spending this all to the partners. That's why it is all debited. Then general reserve. General reserve is also recorded over here. And then after, both the side we have to tally. Whenever credit side is more, we have to settle on the debit side, and we have to make the part of according to the act, and we have to divide the profit or a loss among the partners. Partners capital that have to be carried forward. Okay, whenever debit side is more and we have more amount of debit side, so we have to settle this amount over here on the credit side, and that is of divisible loss, and that have to be distributed among the partners, and that is carried forward to the partners capital account.